Does your kitchen feel too small, like every countertop, every drawer, every corner is already full? Well, today I'm revealing 2020 SIXS smartest kitchen storage breakthroughs that will completely change how your small kitchen looks and works. 2026 interior designers are focusing on compact living, and the new storage ideas they're using are next level. And I've collected the best ones for you. Section 1. 10-wall and countertop storage. 1. 2026 floating rail system. A sleek metal rail with hooks to hang spatulas, pans, or baskets. Saves drawer space and looks like a modern cafe kitchen. 2. Vertical magnetic knife dock. Mount a magnetic strip on a side wall to free the counter and keep knives sharp and accessible. 3. Slim shelf above the sink. A minimalist mini shelf for soap, brushes, and plants. Perfect for organized small spaces. 4. 2026 Spice Tower Rack. A tall vertical spice organizer that displays everything clearly and decoratively. 5. Foldable wall prep table. A wall-mounted table that folds up when needed and folds down when you're done. Extra prep space without losing floor space. 6. Micro floating corner shelf. A tiny corner shelf that holds jars, decor, or oil bottles. New trend for 2026 small kitchens. 7. Wall grid organizer. A metal grid where you hang baskets, utensils, or cups. Super flexible and renter-friendly. 8. Pegboard wall system. Arrange hooks, shelves, and containers on a customizable pegboard. Multipurpose and modern. 9. Under cabinet mounted rod. Great for dishcloths, utensils, or hanging mugs while keeping counters empty. 10. Magnetic herb garden jars. Magnetic jars stuck on the side of the fridge, or a metal strip for fresh small herbs. Aesthetic plus space saving. Section 2. Modern cabinet and drawer maximizers. 11. Multi-level pull-out drawers. Convert deep cabinets into smooth pull-out drawers with 2 tiers. No more reaching into the dark back. 12. Lid slide-in organizer. 2026 must-have. Thin dividers that let pot lids slide in vertically. No more noisy clutter. 13. Undershelf hanging rack. Add a shelf under your shelf for wraps, plates, and napkins. Instantly double storage. 14. Clear zone baskets. Use baskets labeled breakfast, snacks, baking, spices, so everything has a home. 15. Drawer peg system. Wooden pegs keep plates and bowls in place. Prevents sliding and looks designer approved. 16. Pull-out pantry slider. A narrow sliding pantry inside a cabinet for jars, bottles, and cans. Perfect for small apartments. 17. Vertical tray divider. Organize baking sheets, cutting boards, and trays upright instead of stacking. 18. Deep drawer container system. Use same height containers inside drawers to keep everything stable and easy to grab. 19. Hidden shelf riser. Add risers inside your cabinet for cups or spices. Creates 2 layers without drilling. 20. Under-counter skinny drawer, a thin drawer installed below your countertops for foil, cling wrap, and flat tools. Section 3. Fridge, pantry, and small space genius ideas. 21. Sliding fridge trays. 2026 upgrade. Mini sliding trays that attach under fridge shelves, perfect for snacks, eggs, and berries. 22. Adjustable door pockets, movable pockets that help group bottles and sauces perfectly. 23. Stackable pantry containers. Using one-size containers maximizes vertical space and makes restocking easy. 24. Lazy Susan turntable, great for oils, sauces, and snacks. One spin, and everything is reachable. 25. Mini pantry snack station, one small basket for chips, biscuits, and sweets. Avoids messy packets spread everywhere. 26. Magnetic shelf on fridge side. Use a strong magnetic rack for spices, oils, or utensils. Perfect for dead space. 27. Slim rolling gap cart, a tiny rolling trolley that fits between the fridge and cabinet. Becomes a mini pantry for jars and bottles. 28. Hanging fruit baskets, metal baskets hanging under cabinets or from the ceiling. Saves counter space instantly. 29. Hidden toe kick drawer, convert the space near the floor below cabinets into a flat drawer for trays and baking sheets. 30. The 2026 5-minute reset method, a simple daily habit. Wipe counters, return items, declutter tiny things. This keeps your kitchen clean without effort. And that wraps up today's list of the most genius kitchen storage ideas for small spaces 2026. Which idea are you planning to try first? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell for more home decor, smart storage hacks, and small space transformations. Thanks for watching.